You're the manager of a dance, stunt, entertainment, or professional crew company. Or perhaps you're a band manager or band leader. Whatever your title, life can be a lot to handle managing schedules, logistics, and every other important detail. But it doesn't have to be. This is Performer Life. Log on to Performer Life from your computer or mobile phone so you can view and edit all your event details even while you're on the go. Have a last-minute showtime change? Or perhaps setup at the venue has been moved up an hour? Performer Life's dynamic calendar keeps all members of your band or company up to date instantly. With the click of a button, changes you make to your calendar events are immediately viewable by any of your band or company members. Notifications are instantly set, and your members can even be notified on their mobile phones via one of our downloadable phone applications. For touring acts, Performer Life basically acts as your virtual tour book, always up to date and always accessible. You can also add your own private calendar notes, so you can remember to send those important payments, follow up with that event coordinator, even add personal events like picking up some groceries on the way home. Private calendar notes can only be seen by you and save you from having to manage more than one calendar. If you like, you can also share specific calendar notes with one or multiple members of your choice. It's all right here. Maybe you manage a band and need to send out a piece of music for your show tomorrow night. You can send them an attachment via Performer Life's messaging system. No more dealing with missed calls, voicemails, or people being out of touch. All your members are immediately notified, and you can rest easy knowing that they have the information they need. Or perhaps inspiration strikes you at an inconvenient time. Just record your idea on your phone and send it right away via our mobile phone app to be worked on in your next rehearsal. It can't get any easier. Sometimes things happen, and you might find yourself scrambling to fill a performer's or crew member's position. Just search on Performer Life by city, talent, skill, name, pretty much anything at all. You can find all the information you need right there on their profile, including video, audio, and a 5-star pro meter that instantly gives you their professionalism as voted on by other members. Don't have time to search all of our members? Put up a job posting or audition notice right here on our job board. All of our matching talent and crew members can view your posting and choose to submit their profiles. Talent and crew will also be able to view your profile and decide if they want to submit based on videos you have posted, including your very own pro meter as voted on by current members and previous hires. Soon, you will even be able to pay your members right here on the site, print out reports for end-of-year taxes, and much, much more. With all this and so much more to come, Performer Life takes everything about your life and makes it easy, simplified, and universally accessible. Get your life together. This is Performer Life.